All right, so let's go in. Let's take a moment to relax. Take an inhale through the nose, hold it, and then slow exhale through the mouth. Let's rest in the knowing of who we are. I am the soul. As we inhale and exhale naturally, just imagine you are fully supported by the fully supported by the fullness and the presence of the Most High. Just relax as we ask ourselves these questions. We begin with the first question, what is the nature of? And so I begin with, what is the nature of the soul? What is the nature of a whole soul being? What does it feel like? What is the nature of a whole, WHOLE, soul being? What does it feel like? What is the nature of a whole soul being? What does it feel like? What does it feel like to be the soul, a whole soul? Imagine what it would feel like to fully feel into that. Smile on your face. You are a whole soul. You are the soul. Imagine what it would feel like to walk in that and to talk in that, to live from that knowing. How would your life be? What would your life feel like? What would you feel like living from that knowing, I am the soul? Let's breathe into that. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, fill that belly. And now exhale. Almost as if the navel is touching your spine. And now relax. We're imagining what it feels like. What it feels like. Knowing that you are the soul. What does it feel like to know it? Next question. What is the nature of the soul? What is the nature of the whole soul? What does it look like? We're looking with the inner eye. What does it look like? What is the nature of a whole soul? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of a whole soul? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of a whole, WHOLE, soul? What does it look like as my life? Tap in, third eye. If you have to tap on that third eye, feel free to do so. Yes, yes, yes. Imagine what your life would look like as you live from the knowing that you are a soul, a full soul, that you are a whole, WHOLE, soul. Imagine what your life would look like, knowing that. See with the inner eye. Imagine, use your imagination, use your intuition to imagine what it would look like. Oh, wow, what a magnificent life. What a magnificent life. What a magnificent life. Inhale and exhale. Feel that living breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Fill that belly. Yes, smile on your face. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Smile on your face. Oh yeah, seeing, living a whole soul life. Whole soul living. Yes, seeing that. Yes, yes, yes. Next question. What is the nature of a whole soul? What is the nature of a whole soul? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of a whole soul? What is the nature of a whole soul? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of a whole soul? What does it sound like as my voice? What kind of words are you speaking from this soul experience, this soul adventure called your life? You are the soul itself. what kind of words would you speak? How would you speak about yourself? How would you speak about others? How would you speak about the world? How would you speak about the United States of America from the consciousness of a full, whole soul? Ask yourself that question. Let's breathe into the question. Inhale and exhale. Fill that belly. Again. Oh, yes, when two or more come together, there is power. We're all in the consciousness, is the consciousness of I am the soul. Feel into that, see it, speak it, feel it, see it, speak it, feel it, see it, speak it. Yes, yes, yes. I am the soul. I am the soul. I am the soul. Let's go to our natural breath. We stand in gratitude for this realization that you are the soul. You are sacred. You are divine. Imagine that the oversoul speaks to you and says, in you I am well pleased. You are the soul that you were created to be. You are the soul that is expressing the divine. You are the soul that is here to reveal the gifts and the talents that you were given so that you may support and heal humanity. You are a full, whole soul being, and you are needed in this thing called life. You are worthy of a life fulfilled. You are enough, for you are a whole soul. Breathe into that. Feel it, see it, speak it. Feel it, see it, speak it. Feel it, see it, speak it. You are the soul. And so how grateful we are for this soul fulfilling moment. Grateful for this opportunity to recognize the oversoul, God, higher power, ultimate intelligence, divine wisdom, creator, the most high, representing itself as each and every one of us. And we say, yes, yes, yes. Anything that has blocked us from revealing our whole soul, let it be dissolved into its nothingness so we may stand in spiritual integrity with our soul. Let us be of integrity with our own soul beingness. And so we let go. We let go and we trust. We let go and we know. We let go and we acknowledge the goodness of the Creator. Grateful for this moment to pause and call ourselves what we really are. Not the world's names for us, but the true name for us. I am the soul. In this, I am grateful, and I release this word onto law, knowing that each and every one of us is here in the most beautiful and magnificent and bountiful way, that we glorify the very presence of God in how we live our life. I release this word and I let it be. It is done, it is done, it is done. And so it is, and so it shall be. Ashe.